Here's why you shouldn't agree. You could have a triangle that has a base of 8 or a side of 8, another side of 11 with 100 degrees right between the 11 and the 8. And your triangle could look like that. But you could also have a triangle that has a bottom part of 8, just like the other one. But then this side is 11 over here. And then it opens up this way with the 100 degrees right there. So you'll notice that on this first one, the 11 and the 8 are next to each other with the 100 right between them. But on this one, the 11 and the 8 are next to each other, but the 100 is over here, not between them. So that's why they're not identical.